Good afternoon. Before we begin, please consider this is not financial advice of any sort, rather a showcase on how we can use TradeGlass to analyze a particular asset. Today, we're going to take a look at a stock and use TradeGlass to analyze it. So you're probably already familiar with the interface. So TradeGlass brings in technical and fundamentals in order to analyze an asset and actually give you a direction. This is a pretty easy asset, at least to analyze. This is Reviva Pharmaceutical. This is a stock that has been doing a tremendous drop in the last year and a half. There was a lot of promises around it, a lot of fundamentals that didn't come through. So, just to give you a sense of it, we can come here with our drawing tool, and then we can grab our 2D ruler right here, and then we can draw from the peak all the way to current market price. And we can see that this stock has dropped literally 99.6%, which is honestly not so shocking considering it has become a penny stock. They recently went through a reverse split. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's basically when we grab a stock and then we multiply or divide it in order to make it more appealable to a market. In this particular case, it didn't go so well. So here we can zoom in the graph and we can immediately see when they did the reverse split. And actually, it still woke up as a penny stock the day after. So in terms of technical, TradeGlass has done everything for you. It has already analyzed everything you need via his proprietary algorithm from the technical analysis component to the fundamentals. We have a very negative trend, particularly here. The RSI is also very bad. Volatility is off the sky. And actually, the software has already identified a chart partner, bearish tree black crowds, which is generally a pretty bearish figure. Now, the software itself, it's giving a pretty strong stance into short direction. So what happens is, confidence is at 13%. Many people might say, well, I'm a fundamentalist. And there are very good news about this stock. Yes, there might be. In fact, you can probably see right here on our interface and TradeGlass, there are 3 news about this stock. That might sound bullish at first glance. Analysts remain confident in Reviva Pharmaceutical holding amid 1-20 reverse split. That's great, but it didn't go so well in reality. Also, they are in a list of 10 stock under $5 that could triple, probably, but not the whole picture here. So what happens is, not all of us are technical analysts, and some of us are purely fundamentalists. That's why TradeGlass allows you to change your style. This setup is pretty standard, which involves 30% fundamental analysis and 70% technical analysis. If we were to grab this and say we were purely fundamentalist, so by fundamentalist, I mean only and only caring about news and macro and financial reports around this. We can see clearly that the software is telling you to stay calm and not to engage in a trade of any kind. Regardless, if we take a more, say, middle-of-the-way stand, so 50% fundamentalist and 50% technical analysis, we are back at same point. So, again, this is the stock seen on the daily. There is an entry point right here, and there is a very good take profit at 11 cents. So this could be, don't want to say easy trade as there is no such thing as an easy trades in financial markets, but this one is pretty straightforward. Fundamentals, financial fundamentals in this stock don't support any of its case neither. I mean, as you can probably see, we are red zone on basically everything from income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. There is absolutely nothing that could indicate that this stock could possibly revive itself, unless of a big macro news, such as something in the regulatory field. We can even search a SEC filing for it. And when we go, we look at several filing. There is one 8K that is recently being filed. So what most people would ask, well, what is an 8K? Very good question. An 8K is a very technical document being filed with the SEC. Well, you don't need to understand the difference between an 8K and a 10K to just understand the context. Glassy, through its deep dive function, it's able to actually grab that document for you, go deeper on it, and let you know what's going on with the 8K. So, Glassy opens and analyzes the document for you, and basically you can already read the critical points here. Notice how an 8K filing raises concern about financial performance, impact investor sentiment, and stock price. Bearish again. So most important about this, TradeGlass doesn't just take a daily position and analyze that. It goes up and looks at the weekly and then compares it. We can go manually on the weekly. Right now we can switch easily, and scenario is the same, if not worse. You can probably see it right here. And if you want to see on a weekly, you want to see the Fibonacci retracements, which TradeGlass gives you automatically. You can just click right here, and then you can see that our next zone of natural Fibonacci retracement is a 0.59. So here you have it. Of course, you can zoom in and analyze in greater detail, but mainly, this is what TradeGlass can do for you on a particular asset, or any asset you might choose. I hope this is helpful for anyone out there looking to try a professional analytical software such as this. Link to a free preview in the description.